Hello, my name is Dade Butler. I am the lead customer service agent with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to read and use the credit log. Within account settings, we can access the credit log using the menu options to the left. From the top right-hand drop-down menu, however, we can click the credit log option itself and be taken there instantaneously. At the top of the credit log, we can select a date range that we want to view. After clicking Load Data, we can then see the data from this particular date range. With total credits, we can see the total number of credits that were used for that specific date range. Within the table, we can see report ID, keyword, report created, last credit used at, report credits, EEAT credits, NLP credits, watchdog credits used, AI article count, new AI content credits, free AI regenerations, paid AI regenerations, and total credits. With the total credits column, we can see the total number of credits that were used for each individual report. With the report credits, EEAT credits, NLP credits, watchdog credits, new AI content credits, and paid AI regenerations, these columns specify where the credits were used and in what quantity. For example, we can see that 1 credit was used on EEAT and 2 credits were used on NLP, totaling for 3 credits on my Lorem Ipsum report 1002925. However, for Page Optimizer Pro, we can see that I created 7 total AI articles using 68 total credits. Armed with this information, we can go ahead and calculate how many credits we will need in every month, which allows us to determine which subscription would be the most cost-effective for us. However, this is not my average, as this is only one data set. So you'd want to go back, select the previous month, see how many credits you used then, go back 1 month, select Load Data, and log this information month by month, which allows you to see just how many credits you will need in any given period. June, for me, was particularly busy, so let's select June, select Load Data, and we can see we went from 3 2s, 9s to about 681 credits used. With that, you are armed with everything you need to know in order to use the credit log. I hope that this video helped you out, and happy optimizing!